Yo, what's going on guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I have a review of the FiFine T669 condenser microphone kit. This mic was provided for me for free to review, but as always, all of my thoughts and opinions are my own and they were not influenced in any way. So let's just start off with the unboxing. So there are no plastic tabs to cut or anything. We just get straight into the box. And we're greeted with some documentation here. So this is just how to set up the stand and that. I don't know if you guys can see, my camera is pretty high. But there you go. That's just the installation guide. I will show you though how to install the boom arm and everything in this video. But there's your user guide. You have a little pamphlet which contains contact details, Facebook page, and their company website. So that's quite fine. And we have a pop filter. This is got quite a stiff adjustment. It actually feels pretty good quality though. So there's your pop filter and it attaches on there. So that's pretty cool. I'll move that to the side over here because we're probably not going to need that with this. Next in the box is our mic kit. So we have, let's just start off with this is a windshield I think. So this is the windshield here. The mic goes in here, mine's a bit creased here, but should still be fine. But there you go, there's your windshield and there's your long, looks very long actually, USB cable to plug the mic into your PC. So those two, put them to the side. What's in here? This is for the shock mount. So that's useful, and this is the shock mount as well, so the mic will fit in through here. I'll show you that, how to do that later. Here is the mic arm. I have actually one of these from another company too, so see how they compare, but this feels and looks almost identical to the one I have. Can change the toughness of that through this here. The mic connects into this. I think this is a 3.5 inch, 3/5 inch connector, but I'm not too sure. But yep, there's your mic arm. Here is where it clamps onto the desk, and then you'll put the bottom of the mic arm in here. Here's where it clamps onto your desk. And what's this? Oh yeah, it comes with a little tripod. So this is a little tripod for the mic if you just want to use it on a tripod. So quite cool that they add that too, because not everyone wants to use the big bulk that is the boom arm. And here is the mic, and it's actually got quite a bit of weight to it, and it connects by this here. So this will just fit onto the bit on the boom arm. So that I'm pretty sure is actually, you can see the mic capsule inside there. But yeah, other than that, with the volume wheel here, some fine branding. That is all I think in the box. So that's the unboxing. Pretty basic within a simple box, but it has everything you need to get going. The mic, the price on this set at the moment in the UK is around $69.99 RRP, that's with no discounts. So yeah, I'm going to use this mic for around a week, and I'm going to do a few comparisons with some of the other mics I have, as well as showing you how to set up the mic, and we'll see how good quality this is. So I'll catch you in around a week or two. Alright, so here's a sound test of the T669 microphone. As you can hear here, it sounds actually pretty good. This is with no enhancements or anything, no background noise removal, no edits in software or anything. This is just a raw feed, stock, out of the box, plugged into my PC with USB in Windows, and this is how the mic sounds. So you guys can get a good idea of how this sounds compared to the other mics that will be featured after this. So we have a blue Snowball next, and as well a budget NJSJ mic. Alright, so here you have a sound test of the blue Snowball Ice. This is about 3 inches away from my mouth, and I will not add any boost or anything, any enhancements to this audio. so you can get a good idea of how this sounds compared to the competition. Hello, this is the sound test of the NJSJ H310 condenser microphone. I'm sitting about 5 inches, 3 to 5 inches away from the microphone, and I will not add any enhancements or boost to this audio, so you can get a good idea of how this sounds compared to the other microphones that we test. I just wanted to show you as well quickly how simple it is to make this mic sound even better. So I'm in Voicemeeter here. This is a free software you can download on Windows, and I think it's on Mac too. And you can change how the mic sounds here. So this is stock. It's in the middle here. There's like, you can change echo, you can add a bit of bass, you can add a bit of highs, so highs will sound better. I think the sweet spot is around here, around there. So if you hear this audio now, you can compare it with the stock audio in the previous section of the video. And I think this is a really good sweet spot around here for this mic, and I think it actually makes it a lot better. The sound quality is a lot better if you use this software and tweak it. Like with every other mic, if you're gonna tweak it in software, it's always gonna sound a little better, but this sounds especially good here. So if you guys do want to get better audio out of your mic, then I would definitely suggest installing Voicemeeter and toggling this and seeing what you prefer. So as you heard from all those sound tests, I actually think out of the box, the FiFine isn't actually amazingly good. I think the Snowball is around £20 cheaper, bearing in mind you don't get the stand and everything. I actually think out of the box, the Snowball has a better sound profile. But tweaking the FiFine in software, you can get it sounding extremely good, significantly better than the Blue Snowball. So if you are a bit enthusiastic about your audio and you wanted to edit it and tweak it in software, I think you can actually get a lot better result with the FiFine. But out of the box, I think the Blue Snowball has an advantage. When it comes to the NJSJ sound test I added into the video, that just gives you a good idea of just different price ranges. So the NJSJ is around £20-25, then you have a Blue Snowball, which is around £50, and you have the FiFine, which is the highest end or the highest priced at around £70. Bearing in mind you are getting a lot more than just a mic with the FiFine. You're getting the stand and everything, and boom arms go for around £20. So the mic itself is around the same price as a Blue Snowball at $50. So in the background, you can just see that I'm just showing you briefly how to set up the boom arm. So what needs to go where and how you can set this up. It's very easy. It's a lot easier than other boom arms I've reviewed and used. The mechanism on this FiFine is actually a lot simpler, and the mic stays in place. It doesn't get loose over time. It's actually very good. The build quality of the mic is also excellent. It's durable. It's made out of metal. The volume wheel on the front of the mic is pretty tactile as well. It feels smooth. It feels good. It feels premium as well. And just generally the whole package for around £70 is, I think, a really good starter for anyone who wants to get into YouTube, anyone who wants to get into streaming, because you have the mic, you have the arm, you have everything you need to get set up and sorted, and it's very high quality audio, especially if you tweak it in software too. So I think everything included in the box is just a really good deal. And also you do get the small tripod stand as well, which is quite a good add-on, as well as a pop filter. I haven't showed it in this video because I think personally the windshield is all you need. You don't need a pop filter and a windshield. So I don't think I've showed it anywhere in the video except in the unboxing. Anyway, that's about all for this review. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Subscribing is the best thing you can do to help me out and the channel, because the more subscribers I can get, the more different variety of products I can get into review. So if you want to help support me the most, the best thing you can do is like the video and subscribe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this one, and I will talk to you in the next video. Peace out.